Namaskar. I am Dr. Chetan Mundada. I am Chief Pediatric Intensivist at Cuddles, Secunderabad, Minister Road. Complementary feed is the feeding which is started after 6 months of age of the child, and it is very important that we do not delay it. After the child receives first 6 months only breastfeeding, then we should start complementary feeds in the form of semi-solid foods, and breastfeeding also is continued side by side, but as the age increases, the complementary feed amount and number of meals increase and the breastfeeding reduces. Till 2 years you can continue the breastfeeding. Now, how do you initiate complementary feeds? So you start at 6 months of age and you start with the foods which are prepared at home, which is easy, which is very cost effective to prepare, and every household has got a unique way of cooking, and the child gets accustomed to this cooking and develops taste of the homemade food and doesn't become a fussy eater later. So when you start one new food at a time and you increase the quantity every day, and you see that the food ingredients which are there, any allergic reactions are occurring in the form of rashes or excessive crying or any blood in stools. If those things are not there, after a week or 10 days you can add one new more food item at a time. So the food grains which are like pulses and cereals like rice and various pulses, we can use this, and after that you can introduce various other things like malts of ragi or other javas, fruit pulps, pureed fruits which is pulpy fruits like mango, papaya, banana. These can be used initially, and as the child's age increases you can appropriately increase the consistency of the food as well. Remember not to use any food items on which the child can choke, so nuts and various other seeds, they need to be grinded properly in a powder form, and then only you introduce it in the food of the baby. So it's very important to initiate complementary feeds at appropriate time, because that is the most critical period where the child starts developing taste for food, and you keep on increasing the number of variety of foods. It has to be a balanced food so that you give the child energy, you give the child protein, and you give the child fiber and minerals in the form of fruits and vegetables. Thank you.